Dash the digital, dash the digital, Prince and Jermaine. I'm running for the 6 and I'm running for the 8 and I'm running for the 9 and I'm running for the UK or my CK and my WK. Speak the gibberish, it's the English. Brand new whip, got no keys. I need to spit bars, I need to spit bars, I need to spit bars.
I'm running Pikachu.
Yeah, they're Ferrari like Pikachu. Look at you, look at me, look at him, look at her. Oh, swagging, Kizo. I cannot rap to save my life. Hey, when I save my life, hey, save my life. Hey, hey. I came, I saw, I praised the Lord, then I break the Lord in the UK, United Kingdom, Prince and Jermaine, Kuzo, swag. Kuzo world, Kuzo swag. Came, I saw, I came, and I ran, and I prayed, and I ate, and I slipped, and I ran. Hey, rapping's too hard, man, it's too hard. What's going on, guys? Back again with another video. It's your boy Prince.
It's your boy Jermaine.
And today, we're going to react to the long anticipated man that Bina dropped an album called Matador. I don't know if Matador. Dropped an album called Matador, fam. And it's only right we check out this album, you get me? It's only right. So today we're going to react to track number 1. If you guys like this reaction, press the thumbs up and comment down below if you want us to react to the rest of the album, and we'll do that. We'll listen to number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 and number 6 and so on. But today we're going to listen to number 1 and we're going to get straight to it. Make sure you do the usual, guys. Like, share, subscribe. You know what I mean? And also subscribe to my other channel called Kuzo Family. And follow our Instagram page called @everythingkuzo, as well as our personal Instagram page and Snapchat. Yeah? Let's get straight to it. Oh, it's got a... I'm excited, man. Been there. Dropped an album. The guy's special, so. Hold up.
Been there.
Yo, you can't do this to us, man.
Can't do this.
Hey, it's only track number 1. Go easy on your boy, you know what I'm saying? I got to reload that. That drop. Beat is sick, innit? Like,
The beat is so fast.
and the flow, like. I like that bit. Boy, so far, wow. I'm flipping out, you tight me.
I went to bed late, mate. Someone's late.
This guy, he always goes to bed late, innit? Always going to bed late, playing your Fortnite, but you're flipping bed, man. But yeah, man, boy, I'm excited to listen to the rest of the album. If you guys like this idea of us reacting to every single song in this album, make sure you comment down below, show love and tell us to listen to the rest. We'll react to the rest of this album one by one, you know what I mean? But that is flipping, that's good, man. I'm feeling it,
Fam, that's a sick way to start an album, fam.
Trust me. After that,
Hey.
I like it, man, I like it. And if you guys have already listened to this album already, give us name us the top 3 songs in this album. We can check them out first as well, you know what I mean? And yeah, that was good, Jermaine?
That was just a sick way to open up an album. Like the drop as well at the start when he got introduced into the song, that was sick as well.
Yeah.
And the beat was like so quick.
Serious beat, man.
Flow matched it all very well.
Honestly, you guys are good producers, man. Very good producers. Like, you never go wrong with your beats, man.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. This country is just full of talent, man. And I'm just glad to be a part of it and just to see it unfold. And this is only just the beginning. Like, there's so much more potential, man. Like, the way these new artists just keep coming out, you know what I mean? So, sick video, man. Sick video. But yes, guys, make sure you comment down below who should react to next. Like the video, share it to your friends and family, and make sure you also subscribe to this channel. And make sure you also subscribe to my other channel called Kuzo Family, and follow us on our social media. All the information will be in the description box down below. And yeah, man, it's a boy Prince.
By Jermaine.
You guys are Kuzo. We're Kuzo. Everything Kuzo. Kuzo Family, peace and love, stay shining, and we are out.